Hey guys, welcome back to Driving TV. I am Cabby, and in today's video, I'm super excited because I have prepared for you guys how to use your mirrors. This video tutorial is been something that have been requested in the comments a lot. I have emails asking me please make a video how to use your mirrors. We're beginner drivers, or I just got my license and I don't know how to use them, the positioning and where goes what, right? So here you go, here's this video. This is very crucial, this is very important. You need to know how to do this because mirrors are everything. They're your eyes on the road. If you found it helpful, please leave your comment below, give me a like, thumbs up, and just let me know how you feel about it. And what other videos do you guys want to see? With that being said, let's get to it.
Step 1. Understanding the different mirrors. First, let's identify the three main mirrors in your car. Number 1 would be the rear view mirror, located at the top center of your windshield. This mirror provides a wide view of what's directly behind you. It's crucial for monitoring traffic and making sure that you know what's happening behind your vehicle. It's very useful because when you need to change lanes, this is where you're going to look at. Well, one of the mirrors you're going to look at. It's very important. Also, when you're merging or checking for cars that are approaching quickly behind you. Now, the left mirror would be the second one. The left side mirror. So, positioned on the driver's side of the car, the mirror helps you see the left side of your vehicle and the road next to it. It's essential for checking traffic when changing lanes or merging to the left. It also helps when parking along the curb to make sure that you're not too far or too close. Number 3 would be the right side mirror, and this is going to be located on the passenger side of the car. This mirror shows the right side of your vehicle and as well as the road. It's crucial for changing lanes or merging to the right and for monitoring the curb when parking. It provides visibility to the areas you can't see in your rear view and left side mirrors. So each of these mirrors have a specific purpose and play a crucial role, keeping your safety on the road, right? And making it much easier for you to drive. Now, adjusting the rear view mirror. Let's start there. So when you're gonna adjust the rear view mirror, proper seating position is crucial. Sit comfortably in your driver's seat and make sure that you're in regular driving position. Adjust your seat and steering wheel if necessary to get the best view of the road. Make sure you're sitting upright and at a comfortable distance from the pedals and the steering wheel. And adjusting the rear view mirror, you're gonna have the same thing that I said right now. Sit comfortably, make sure that you have good angles to look at the mirror and everything behind. Adjust the rear mirror so you can see as much of the rear window as possible. This is the key. You have to see much of the rear window as possible. So you should be able to see the entire back window without moving your head. This mirror should give you a clear view directly behind your car, helping you monitor traffic and anticipate the action of other drivers. Now, adjusting the side mirrors. For the left side mirror, so you're gonna lean your head towards the driver's side window until it almost touches the glass. Adjust the mirror so you can barely see the side of your car in the mirror's right side. This helps minimize blind spots and gives you a better view of the lane next to you. Return to your normal sitting position. Check the mirror. You should see a small portion of your car and a wide view of the road beside you. The right side mirror. Lean your head towards the center of the car above the center console. Adjust the mirror so you can barely see the side of your car in the mirror's left edge. This positioning also helps reduce blind spots on the right side. Return to your normal seating position and check the mirror. Like the left mirror, You should be able to see a small portion, a small part of the car and a broad view of the road. Using your mirrors while driving. Checking mirrors regularly, that is a must. Develop the habit of checking your mirrors every 5 to 8 seconds. This regular glance will help you stay aware of your surroundings and react quickly to any changes in traffic. Look at your rear view mirror first, then your left and right side mirrors. This routine should become second nature as you drive. Changing lanes. So when you're changing lanes, before changing lanes, check your rear view mirror to see if any cars are approaching from behind. Check your side mirrors to make sure that the lane you want to move in is clear. Signal your intention, always, to change lanes by using your turn signal. This alerts other drivers of your intentions. Quickly glance over your shoulder to check for blind spots. This is the area that your mirrors cannot cover and you cannot see unless you kind of like glance over your shoulder, lean forward a little bit, and take a look quickly. If it's safe, make sure that your lane change is smoothly and steady. Now, when turning or merging, so use your mirrors to monitor traffic and make sure it's safe to turn or merge. Always be aware of the vehicles around you. Signal well in advance before making your move. This gives other drivers time to react. Check your mirrors again before executing the turn or merge. Double checking makes sure it allows you to make sure that there are no surprises, that you are not going to be caught off guard, and you're just going to be able to move smoothly without any sudden things happening. So just maintain yourself very aware. Now, parking and reversing. Ooh, mirrors are like obviously a big help here. So parallel parking. Use your mirrors to position your car correctly and to avoid obstacles. Your side mirrors are especially useful here. Check your left side mirror to make sure that you're close enough to the curb but not hitting it. You should also use your right side mirror to monitor the car behind you. As you maneuver into the parking spot, continue to check your mirrors to make sure that you're not too close to other cars or the curb. Reversing. Use all 3 mirrors to guide you while reversing. Your rear view mirror helps you see directly behind you, while your side mirrors provide views of the side of your car. Turn your head and look over your shoulder for better visibility. This additional check ensures you basically that there's no obstacles and you can proceed safely. Now, move slowly and be prepared to stop if you see any obstacles. Reversing requires careful attention, so you should take your time in this whole reversing process. And use your mirrors a lot. I think this is like you must do. I don't think you can park without doing so. So anyways, guys, proper use of mirrors is crucial for safe driving. And by regularly checking and adjusting your mirrors, you can reduce blind spots and be more aware of your surroundings. Remember to practice, because practice makes perfect. So keep using these tips until you become a pro. Basically, this all becomes second nature to you. I want to thank all of you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Driving TV for more beginner driving tips and tutorials. Drive safe, and I'll see you on the next one.